I run a gardening club once a week with some very keen children. We also encourage all the science lessons on plants to come out here and use our greenhouse, which was very kindly donated to us by our PMA, our Parents Association. The gardening club children maintain and look after an orchard that we planted this in a very wet day in November. So we have to keep these trees watered while they're settling in. We have just scattered some bee-friendly wildflowers to make our own wildflower meadow. I'm passionate about children learning about where their food comes from. So we grow food, we take it into the kitchen for our chef to prepare for us. Last week we pulled up all our rhubarb and he made us rhubarb ice cream for the children to enjoy. Winter gardening can be very challenging. We make things for the summer garden, like cane toppers, which we make out of clay. Here's a lovely one of a snail. And it goes on the top of the cane, so you protect your eyes from that. We might also make Christmas wreaths and all sorts of flower arranging and other garden-related tasks we can do inside.